Ka Don Bosco Secondary School Mihmyntdu hak arpenyo terik nailur kalapun kot no ya ka school week ka balai sengi lenter. Ya ka ni ka school week ka balas dang hak arpesan tering la playa ka da wahech nong ka Mihmyntdu ma abul pawa balapan ha perdaya ka da uma Jameson Suna. Kilai sengi ki kena school kilai yo alat benia shimbenta hak jinga ko baper kuntup ka jinga ko shat ruai extempore speech essay ka jingpuli recitation kajing pen iriam bat kajing pen itenat ya kisentio. Kendiat syapang ka school la shimti bat penyat ya kada ki sister jong ka daughter of Sacred Heart house nam arjar katnyo tang kumbah nriu pun riu ngot ki kena school. Hendrei ha uni usnam la don hadu hendrus pa kandai pulai ngot ki kena. Hadu menta ka ni ka shlam hikai kala ajing syakri ka bapaka katkum ka kerdan jong ka juk menta.
Ada kau nak sing samuk wakruha. Mari psia sini hai ni haskul yang pi yui wahe ba guberde. He ba ni skor. Yu om kat ni he skor. Man gajinggar ku wakru ba ye gachinong Mihmyntdu. Gajinggar ku wakru ba ye gachinong Mihmyntdu. But ye gachinong yo marjan markup igani gisnong Mihmyntdu. Kat gani gisingku wo blai the eu kerpangu but the pau igani gisingku lamba kini sister lengut songut lamba senyong ki kawan nakdo na Kerala.
She is Luciana Fedora Kapia from Greenhouse.
My name is Ellen Kitchen. I am an apple. Thank you.
Very good.
Just have to learn my way. Thank you. I am UKGA. I am just cauliflower. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, friend. Thank you, all of you.
Very good.
My name is Lomba. I am from Luau. Vegetable is important for health.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Roderick Linda and I am dressing up as a first Prime Minister of India, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And I love children, all my countries. And I am a freedom fighter. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected judges, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Hafri Lamurang. I am from Greenhouse. I am Manikarnika, the great queen of Jhansi Lakshmibai. I was born on 19 November 1828. In Varanasi, I was found of shooting horse reading sword fight extra. I took my sword and faced British army in the battleground. I laid down my life for the sake of freedom. On 1858, I will not leave my Jhansi at any cost. Go British, go! Here I came, the Jhansi Kirani, thank you. My name is Idahuna Pasley. I represent from Yellow House. I dress like Indira Gandhi. The slogan of Indira Gandhi is Garibi Hato Dish Basho, remove poverty, save the country. Thank you. My name is Ilyora Amrinsong from Red House. I represented here as Mother Teresa. I was born on 26 August in 1910 in Macedonia. If we really want to love, we must learn how to forgive. Thank you.